I bought this Android Apple CarPlay screen. It comes with a mounting system. We do not want the screen way over to the side. I want the screen to mount where my TomTom was, right in the middle. This is protected by the windscreen. It is also not affected by movement of the handlebars. The new screen will allow direct viewing of the phone. The rusty ball is where my TomTom used to mount to. The ball mount on the new screen is fixed. Don't you hate it when your balls get in the way? Get rid of this so we can get the screen closer. This is the magnetic ball mount we will be using. The neodymium magnet is strong. The ball goes on the bike, the magnet goes on the screen. We use double-sided tape to stick the ball to the windscreen. This location allows the screen top to sit closer in. I use incremental additions of acrylic putty. The acrylic has the magnet embedded. As the increments are added, it looks rough. We check the fit as we go. Once the position is made, you can trim it. I use a stone wheel and grind the acrylic. This looks a lot neater. You mask out the magnet and the screen. I sprayed some black paint over the acrylic. These are some sponge elbows I made with double-sided tape on them. The foam elbows prevent the screen tilting. You can go over very large bumps and the screen stays. When riding, the screen sits in a good position. You've got to look down to see it. This shows the wireless connection speed. You do not have to unlock your phone to connect. If you have a Bluetooth headset, it controls the sound as well. Unfortunately, the touchscreen does not work with gloves on. You can see it is connected. The Waze app shows real-time speedo with speed zones. Adjust your destination, etc. before putting gloves on. So it handles massive bumps and movement. The screen is removable. The repositioning aligns easily. The screen is water resistant, but it is more protected by the windscreen. The screen moves with your speedo and other instruments. Thanks for watching.